Hello students, welcome to the Shishit Vidyapit School Sagar Tal Gwalior. Let's start our English class. Chapter 5. Indra wants to be a soldier. Today's topic: learn about the story, write questions and answers. This is the overview of the story. Full story is in your book. The story is about a boy named इंदिरा who want to become a soldier. ये स्टोरी एक इंदिरा नाम के लड़के के बारे में है जो एक सोल्जर बनना चाहता है, एक सिपाही बनना चाहता है. He was quite an imaginative child and pretended to be a soldier. वो एक शांत और इमेजिनेटिव चाइल्ड है जो कि एक नाटक कर रहा है सोल्जर बनने का. He used to wear a large bowl on his head and a apron tied like a cap around his neck, and used a hold the banana like guns and pretended to be a fighting at the border. वो एक लार्ज बॉल को अपने सर पर पहनता है टोपी की तरह, एक एप्रोन टाइट पहनता है कैप की तरह जिस नेक पर, और बनाना को अपनी गन बनाता है और नाटक करता है जैसे कि वो बॉर्डर पर फाइटिंग कर रहा हो. Indira's uncle Colonel Karan Singh was in the Indian army and he admired him a lot. इंदिरा के अंकल कर्नल करण सिंह एक आर्मी में थे और वो कर्नल की बहुत तारीफ़ करते हैं. वो इंदिरा की बहुत तारीफ़ करते हैं. One day his uncle visited him and Indira examined his uniform. एक दिन अंकल विजिट कर रहे होते हैं और इंदिरा उनकी यूनिफॉर्म को देखता है, एग्जामिन करता है. कर्नल करण सिंह advised Indira to be a more disciplined and responsible if he want to get the uniform. कर्नल करण सिंह उन्हें बताते हैं कि उनको एडवाइस करते हैं कि उसे अगर इस यूनिफॉर्म को पाना है तो उसे डिसिप्लिन्ड और रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनना होगा. He even told him about the test that one has to go through to get select in the Indian Army. और वो ये भी बताते हैं कि उसे टेस्ट को भी पास करना होगा इंडियन आर्मी में सिलेक्ट होने के लिए. फाइनली कर्नल करण सिंह told him to work hard and to never curtail his imagination. फाइनली कर्नल करण सिंह उसको ये भी बताते हैं कि उसे कब वर्क हार्ड करना पड़ेगा, काफ़ी हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा और अपने इमेजिनेशन पर कभी भी कर्टेन नहीं डालना है, कभी भी अपनी इमेजिनेशन को रोकना नहीं है. इंदिरा प्रॉमिस टू स्टडी हार्ड एंड स्टे फिट. इंदिरा उनको प्रॉमिस करता है कि वो स्टडी हार्ड करेगा और फिट भी रहेगा. Is the question answer? What was Indira doing in the kitchen? Why did Indira want a uniform just like the Colonel Karan Singh's? How can a person get selected in the Indian Army? What does the uniform of the soldier represent? State whether the statement below are true or false. Indira used to orange as gun. Indira felt proud to Colonel Karan Singh. To become a soldier, one has to be the best and the fittest. Colonel Karan Singh told Indira to curtail his imagination. Answers. Indira was moving around the kitchen, singing and dancing as if he were a pop star, with a large bowl on his head and apron tied like a cap around his neck. He was holding the broom like a microphone. Indira wanted a uniform just like Karan Singh because he wanted to be a soldier. A person was to pass a physical test, a written test, and then a fitness test to get selected in the Indian Army. The uniform of a soldier represents a big responsibility, a promise that the soldier will protect the nation come and what may. Indira used to orange as gun. False. Indira felt proud to Colonel Karan Singh. True. To become a soldier, one has to be the best and the fittest. True. Colonel Karan Singh told Indra to curtail his imagination. False. Your homework is write and learn question answers in your notebook. If you have any queries, so you can ask me. Thank you for watching.